we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
If your TV and soundbar both have an HDMI jack marked ARC for audio return channel, a single HDMI cable, version 1.4 or higher, is all you'll need. If your TV doesn't have an HDMI ARC input, you'll need both optical and HDMI connections between the TV and the soundbar. You may have to activate ARC on your TV.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.